Me bombo. Today's gonna be a short ass stream, man. Cause I'm gonna go work in an hour and 5 minutes. I'm gonna be on a bike in an hour and 5 minutes. So let's do this as fast as we can. Obviously, while maintaining all the quality. Code Force is getting a bit boring and difficult, honestly. So what we're gonna do today is unknown. Phone code always has an update. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. People didn't really like the music from yesterday. Which means only me and Finley like drum and bass. So that means we're going to listen to drum and bass.
One day something. And the shy effects, and when we come is murderation. All original. No, yeah. They not original. Man, not original. Man.
Crazy. You know what? Hello, Afnur. How have you been since yesterday? Good, I hope. Okay. Have you got any project suggestions? You're good. I'm glad. So still haven't decided what we're gonna do today. A terminal app. I did that already. But thanks. It's actually on my GitHub. Oh, you mean a terminal app? Well, where you can execute commands. So I have that one on GitHub. No way. Okay. Man, Stream Elements gotta shut his ass up. Because I customized you already. Cool. I have got custom terminal here. It's just one file. But yeah, that's all it is really. I just got a blacklist for stuff you can't do, like remove the entire computer. That's it. Maybe Code Wars is good. Neovim on a smaller scale. That sounds crazy difficult. Unknown user. Cool, we're in. I'll try one of these ones that I have not done. I've done these ones already. The ones with the tick I've done. If we list all the natural numbers below 10 that are multiples of 3 and 5, we get 3, 5, 6, 9. Yep. 3, 5, 6, and 9. Yeah. The sum of this is 23. Finish the solution so that it returns the sum of all the multiples of 3 and 5 below the number passed in. Additionally, if the number is negative, return 0. That's the edge case right there. I might as well try this one. If a number is a multiple of both 3 and 5, it only counts once. Cool. Okay. We'll do solution. We'll do edge case first, so I'm thinking I'll just loop through all the numbers for 3 and 5 until it reaches that number. Oh wait, no, that's not right. if we list all the natural numbers below 10, returns the sum of all the multiples of 3 and 5 below the number passed in. Return the sum of all the multiples of 3 and 5 below the number. So the multiples of 5 below 20 is 5, 10, 15, 20. So if I do 5 first, multiplied by 5 is more than number, then break. Else we'll do sum plus equals I think I'll just do that twice. Oh no, I could do it in the same. No, I won't do it in the same for loop. What up, original? I went over to Code Wars because Code Forces was getting a bit silly. So we don't need to print anything. So I didn't include this note section. That's something I'm going to work on after I test this solution. Equals to 23 actual 33. Let's check out what the log is. 33. Oh. I got 33, but it's supposed to be 23. Okay. Okay, I'm thinking I need to do a -1. Hello, Moki. Bro, on what percentage do you think you are about programmers of your age? Like, for example, top 3 17-year-old programmer. I honestly haven't met many programmers in real life that are my age. I've only met a lot of adults. I have got one friend and he's extremely talented, but he does Roblox development, so it's something completely different from what we do over here. I mean, in real life, I don't think I have met any other 17-year-olds that genuinely program outside of college, outside of university, school, whatever. And if they do it just for school, I don't count them as being like hobby programmists, because they only do it for the grade. They don't like care about the subject at hand. So I can't give you a number. And I don't want to be biased. I have seen a lot of very smart people online though. Like there's this guy called Max Syntax. He's 18 though, he's a bit older. I think he's 1 or 2 years older than me. And he's he's quite talented actually. You see, he's got very good thumbnails as well. But yeah, I think he does Python or something like that. Python and C++ anyway. No, I can't give you an answer to that. So I've only met one programmer my age in my life, really, that does it outside of school. It is what it is. Matthew was scared. Yeah. Did you read my messages, Finley? I'm still mad at you, Finn. You're not let off the hook. And don't try anything silly, because I still have your money. I have your money. So don't try anything. Igor, no. Igor's not a programmer. It's this guy named William in my class. Yeah, Igor's not a programmer. He's done a bit of Python before, but he doesn't actually do it in his spare time. You're like stopping me from taking it. How are you gonna take the money if I don't have it on me? Yeah, Igor is a Polish name. So I'll remove this -1, it's not doing anything. Wait, what? Yeah, I think I didn't even do -1 correctly. Let's try that again. What? How am I getting 33? I'll just see out all the numbers. The Polish people in my class just get bullied. Bomboklat. Five, 15. Okay, so we're doing 5s first. 5, 10. Send the question you're working on. What, can you not type it yourself? There you are. 5. Okay, I've got a different idea. Uh-huh. What the hell? Try that again. 2 times 5 is 5, sum is 0. 1 times 5 is 5, sum is 5. 2 times 5 is 10, sum is 15. 5 plus 10 is 15, yeah? Okay. This music's pissing me off. Okay. Five, 15 plus 5 is 18. How? Zero times 5 is 0. Sum is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. Sum is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. Where'd you get 0 times 5 from? Where'd you get 0 times 5 from? Blood. Bombo Cloud, what is going on? You didn't change it in the second loop. What didn't I change? What's it? Ah, very true, very true, very true. Okay. Alright, so 0 times 5 is 1, 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, 0, okay. So I think I need to do less than or equal to. Maybe it's not allowed to include the number itself. So I'll add an equal sign there and that might do it. Oh shit, it worked. All I did was add a equal sign. Coolio. But I don't think this is gonna handle the entire solution, because there is a note which I didn't do. If the number is a multiple of both 3 and 5, it only counts once. So I didn't implement that bit, but I'll just test it out and then I'll just figure out how to solve that one after. Yeah, so it failed on that one, as I said. Equals 78, actually 93, yeah. So let's see. Let's see, we got multiples. Now I could overcomplicate this. Well, I need to basically find the common multiples. So I could make a set or a tuple. Tuples in C++. So I think in Python they can only hold unique values. Or is it sets? I confuse sets and tuples. Unique elements, yeah. So yeah, do sets hold unique values in C++. Yeah, good. So I'll use a set and I'll add all of the multiplications on there and then I'll just add them up. I think I'll do that. Be a bit simpler. You should look at CPP reference for documentation. It's a cool website. It's not. I don't like that website. Are you telling me you can read this? Can you actually understand all of this? First of all, it's way too zoomed in. Zoomed out, I mean. There's way too much information. Way too many words. Right. It's a bit too much. So, yeah, I just don't really like that one. But if you can understand it, then good job, you. By the way, is the music understandable? Yeah, it's alright, good. Right, how do I make a set then? How to make a set in C++? Yeah, W3 schools, I quite like this one. Used it for many years. Include set. Let's do that then. Set string. It's gonna be a set of ints. How can I add stuff in there? Finally, insert. Okay. I'll do insert. Okay, we've got the set there, and I just gotta do the multiples. Right. That's basically my method. So for I in range, I is less than Can't I just do that? I is less than number, yeah. So multiples actually, I don't even need to do all this stuff. I can just refactor version 1, which is essentially multiples.insert. That's what I had to do. Multiples.insert, because most of the code is literally the same. It is exactly the same. And then loop through multiples and add them all up. So then here I can just use a for like a range loop. Int I to multiples. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Okay, cool. Multiples. Sum plus equals I. And then I do that. That should be it, really. Yeah. Let's attempt it now. Woohoo! Yeah. It's pretty good. This is I've ranked up to 7Q on the bottom right. 7Q. Oh yeah. Right. Yeah, I don't know what to do now. Amazing stuff. Keep going. Thank you very much, Anna. Just don't know what to do, really. Because these code word problems are either really difficult or really easy. Can't really find an in between. You know what? I'm just gonna continue my blackjack. Got one feature left to implement on that. I've got an error. No, I don't. Oh, that means it's not uploaded on GitHub. Ah, okay. Well, let's see. Show everyone my brilliant game. Oh, damn, wait. If you want this game, £100 PayPal. Finally, I won. Cool, now. Okay. To add cache, how would I implement using the cache? I could add a button that says add $10. Bet $10. Okay, I can do that then. What's that? What's that? None LS. Damn. Let's get that done. Right, to make a button, it's been so long. I need to do bet 10. I need a texture for this. But do I? Yeah, I do. We need to rate my solution. You have a solution? Oh, for the first time in my life, I finished it before you. Let's see. Return 3 times. My face isn't covering it. 3 times n minus 1, 3 times n minus 1, 3 plus 1, 2. Yeah, I think that's awful. That's one of the worst codes I've ever seen in my life. What's this? For some reason I can't see the full time. Never mind, I found the full thing. Good. It works, but it doesn't look good. That's why C is better than C++. But this is compatible with C++ as well. Do I have a paint app? Draw? No. We'll just go on Canva. Send my solution. Where's my solution? There it is. It's 161 times 47. 161 times 47. Okay. Yes. Perfecto. Hello, everyone new in the chat. That's good. I need to make a poll. Is anybody talking? Actually, I'll just ask it here. Random question. Okay. So here I'll do bet 10. Put that in my game folder. What? Didn't I say? I said paste, you melon. Okay, good. That's amazing graphics art. Rectangle, bet £10. Oh, I will make this professional though. All the same tab width, you know? So where do I want it to be? I want it to be underneath deal. I want to be, yeah, in between both the buttons, so. Is it 47? Yeah. I don't know why I'm bothering with the format. Literally makes no difference. What am I doing? I'll show you what I'm doing, my friend. I'm just finishing my blackjack game. So I did a bit of Code Wars earlier at the start of the stream, and I finished that problem on there. So the functionality on the blackjack is fully working. I'm just currently adding the ability to use the cash that you have in your wallet, because I didn't do that, and that's the last thing I got to do when the game's fully ready. It's not a real game. I just did it for fun, just for learning purposes. And the code is available on GitHub if you want it. It's very bad code, so don't bother, but you know what I mean? It's there. Which reminds me, I do actually need to do it, push it. Looks nice, keep going, thank you. I only got to place the button down really and do a little bit of logic, and that's it. So, right, let's place this, so do one. Sound button, yeah. Okay, so I haven't worked on this project in a long time. It's been like 3 weeks, so I'm still trying to familiarize myself with how I wrote it 3 weeks ago, how badly I wrote it back then. So yeah, let's do if you wish it was £100. Right, so if is hello, life is so boring. How are you doing? Ooh. I should make a function for this. I think I did make one earlier in here. Oh no, it's corrupted. Why is everything corrupted? All the best. Alright, see ya. So I'll add a bet function now. Player betting now. I gotta add it to the class signature as well. That's basically cache. Is it cache? Set cache, yeah. Set cache doesn't even exist. What is going on? Wait. I'm gonna mess something up. Where's my code gone? It's not there. It's just disappeared. Recover, please. What is going on? Attention, hit set cache. Okay, we don't have a set cache function, so I'll just do that now. Set cache, yeah. Void set cache, that's what it is. And I will take in cache equals, I hope it lets me do this. Return cache, yeah, it does. Yeah. So cache equals new cache. That's basically it. Although I don't even need that function. It's kind of a waste, but whatever. We'll do. All I need to do is cache minus equals 10. I don't even need this. Okay. It's fine, I'll just keep it there. Okay, so what's going on? I've got an error. Where? Does bet not exist? No, it doesn't. That's why. So void bet. Alright, we'll do that here. Yeah, we're good now. Okay. So now in main. Still don't know much of Vim yet. Still trying to learn the motions. Don't get mad at me. Bet in 10. So we'll do player.bet. And that's it. Right, let's test this out. How do I build it? CMake. Yeah. Please work. Oh my. It doesn't even work. Okay, money got reduced, but why? Oh. Ah, okay. I found out where the bounds are. I'm currently going into debt, playing my own game. So the bet 10 bounds rectangle. Where is it? This, all of it needs to be similar to the bounds of when I draw it, which is here. I don't get I don't get how I did this though. Because look, for example, in the hits, when I draw hits, the second parameter is 2 and then screen width divided by 2 minus 300. And then up here, I did screen width divided by 3 plus 50. Okay, it went up. I wanted to go down. But try that again. It's like Raylib's completely the opposite of how you want it to be. Okay, better. Better. Now does it work? No, it doesn't. So I'm just gonna move the texture to the right. That's all it is. We'll do 150. Okay, it works. And it's exactly where I want it to be, which is weird. It actually works. Okay, I won, but I got none of my money back. So now for the rest of the coding, all I gotta do is I need a notepad. No. To do, here it is. Congratulations, thank you. Nearly there though, nearly there. Are they bull to check if they have bet anything? Add a pot. I think it's called pot in real life. I've never done gambling before. I don't know. I'm just guessing from when I played Red Dead Redemption 2. Add a pot which stores the total money betted. Is that even a word? Okay. If player wins, they earn that money back plus double x2. Okay, if player loses, they just lose what they bet. Okay, and that would be the end of the game. I just got to do all of this stuff. That's literally it. Nothing else. Nothing else to it. So I'm just gonna make a new terminal for this, so I can keep my notes up on the right, up there. Okay. Right. Please don't break. Right as I nearly finished. Bull. Why have I got an error? Bull has betted. Has bet. Equals false. Okay. Wait, in here, I'll do... Why is set cache has an error now? Bro. What? Why have two things got an error now? It's because of you, isn't it? You guys never had errors. Why are you waffling now? All of a sudden. Oh, actually, while I'm here, I might as well say, if you guys do join the Discord, what's this going about? There's this very helpful software engineer, professional called Yuso, and he's hosting events to teach everyone and anyone C++, and I believe he's got some other languages as well. He's got some events somewhere, where is it? If you just sign up to it, click I'm interested. I know it's in a different language, but just click the bottom right button. And yeah, if you just read all of that, it will be good. You can get some professional to help you with your programming if you want. And he's got one today for 6. That's tomorrow. Oh, that's the 27th. Anyways, yeah. He normally has them pretty soon, but yeah. So join that if you're interested. For some free tutoring. Back to this. Need to change the music. So I have an error. Where? I'm also starting out at learning C++ in Vim. Very good. Gvim? I actually don't know what Gvim is. Gvim, it's on Ubuntu. Interesting. Graphical user interface for Vim. Ah. I get it. Good luck. If you do want to learn more C++, you can just join that Discord as I mentioned. Everyone's welcome. How many months have you been learning C++? A few days? Oh wow. What do you know so far about the language? Do you know the basics like variables, conditions, loops? Search Vim on Google, it suggests Emacs, and search Emacs, it suggests Vim. Man, this is why I don't use Google, man. Man, DuckDuckGo is on top. On top. You should already know that C is better than C++. Okay, original. You and your biased view. The double thing, the double chevron is just really weird to use. It is, yeah. Extremely weird. Extremely weird. Especially if you don't have experience. Sorry, no, I meant to say, especially if you come from experience, from a language like Python maybe. It's a completely different ball game, this language. This is the issue. So what's the problem? Player.bet is giving me an issue. You know what, I'm just gonna delete it. Right, and that solved one of the errors. Now I just got this one solved. Void player bet. Oh, I didn't save. I'm gonna have a problem with this. Because Vim is using an old version of this file in memory. Which is really annoying. Okay, well, it's fixed now. So in bets, I'm gonna do. You should try x86 assembly. Nicolae Chubuk. Are you Romanian by any chance? You have a very Romanian name. And by the way, I have tried assembly x64. x64 assembly. I did it on the channel. Actually, I did it on New Year's Eve, like 2 weeks ago. Why? Because your name is very, very Balkan, very Romanian. Just guessing right now. What source do you guys use to learn C++? Bro. Yeah, that's the problem. There's too many sources. Moldova, yeah. Do you speak Romanian? I know you speak Russian, definitely. Russian and Romanian. Yeah, so for that, learn cpp.com if you like reading long stuff. Me personally, I don't like it. There's way too many words. There's way too many waffling. I like, yeah, see all of this stuff, right? I don't want to read all that. I don't want to read that. Yeah, books are definitely better. Definitely. You and Gabe have something in common. Yeah, books are definitely better, man. I started off with this book many months ago, but it's very outdated. It's very outdated, this book. Or when was it made? Like, I used it for a bit. Like, the first few pages are good, but then it teaches outdated stuff. I think it's from 1991, and I got it from the charity shop for £1. Yeah, it's not saying where it is, when it was made. Anyway, bloody old. Ah, here it is. 2001. There. 2001, right there. Crazy stuff. We're supposed to teach C++ 20. All I have to do. Make a boolean, yes. Did I do that? Yep. Okay, so I need to make hasBet equals true. And it's fine if I continuously do that every time. It doesn't matter the performance. There is a Stack Overflow blog on definitive CPP book list I recommend. Stack Overflow is going in the bin, man. There was a graph the Primogen showed. It's just getting used less and less every single day. It's back to where it started in usage terms. Okay. Okay, and then back here. Check game status. We'll do here. Check game status. I think I checked the winner twice, which is really silly. So, yeah. Game, or get dealer total cards. Okay, and am I actually checking for the winning state every single round? Gosh, I can't even read my own code, no matter how commented it is. This is such awful code.
Okay.
Play button and statistics. I wish I had a statistics button. I did not make that yet. It's dealer. So if it's the dealer, okay, here it is, right. Dealer, then we'll do oh, I didn't make a put. Wait, I'll do that now. Put. Okay. And then here, I'll put it in the pot. Pot plus equals 10. Yeah. So over here, if they lost, then we'll do, well, then they don't get anything. They just lose what they lost. But if they won, then I need to set their cash. I don't know. Set the player to set the player cash to what's in the pot times 2, and that's it. So I don't need you anymore. Set cash, right. So I do need this function actually. Set cash, void set cash. Boom, Yeah, because we need getters and setters and that. Why is there an error? Oh. Three o'clock nearly. Wait a second, I'm just changing the music. It's gonna be some crazy stuff. No one's gonna like it. No, I'm not gonna do that. Learn data structures. Yes, that is a very good idea. Very important. Okay. Branchless conditions. No. I think I can be asked for that. Fuck's sake. Come on, man. Make some physics-based game next. I'm not a game developer. I'm not a game developer. I'm just doing this purely for fun. I've had my game dev period many years ago and I don't want to do it again. I'll learn data structures, but I'm not doing game dev. The Excelis has already told me multiple times, yes. Many people have told me many times. That is incorrect. Player.put. Can I actually do that? No, I can't. Okay. I'd put to balance. Right. What am I doing? Add put to balance, right? After this, I'm gonna do data structures right next because I know it. I know all of this sucks, but I just want to get it functional. Would add put to balance. Cache plus equals put times 2. Why have I got an error? Oh, okay. Okay. Good. So I put to balance here. Okay. There's no errors. Unbelievable. See, make. Boom. Okay, let's try this now. So I'm gonna bet $20. $20. Hit. Oh damn, I lost. I only did $10. Fuck. Oh shit. I'm losing all my money. Oh, Bombo Grat! What is going on right now? Bro, I just hacked the system. That's mad. Six, 9. Alright, that's not good. Well, at least I'm a millionaire now. Well, if I bet a lot of money, this will work. Losing your own game. No. I won. Look at my money now. Look at my... This is a feature, not a bug, okay? This is a feature, not a bug, man. Look at that. Look how rich I am, guys. You know what I mean? This is written so badly. Has paid. Let's do it. So, gosh, I'm gonna get beaten up. If Terry Davis were here, he would destroy my ass. And, wait. Has paid out. What? Oh my days. False. And then you can fix everything with a boolean, you know. So if pot has paid out pot is false. Okay, and then after that I need to actually make the put back to 0, so put equals 0. So I think that's it now. I think that's it. So let's bet $20. Fuck. Oh! It worked. The game is functional. How long did that take me? About half, or about 40-50 minutes. Oh! Where's my money? It's not functional. It's functional on the first round. $50, right? Boom, boom. Please just let me win. Alright, it's getting a bit annoying now. Look at that. So it works, right? I bet 30, I got 60 back. That's what I wanted. But it doesn't work after that. So now if I bet, I can bet. But I don't get money if I win again. That's the problem. And I know why. No. This boolean never gets activated again. Has paid up. Yeah, that's the reason. Okay, so at the start of the game, I'll just reset this. So has paid out is true. Where's the start of the game? Has bro. Has paid out. Okay. Now it's gonna work. Bet $50. Got blackjack. I should get 100 back. Good. Let's bet $20. Oh, I got blackjack twice in a row. What? And I won. Yes. Guys, this is a sign. This is a sign. I gotta do this in real life. Let's bet 70. This is how you make the big bucks. I'm back to where I started. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. I lost too many times. Let's go. Well, it's done. That's too hyper. Yeah, it's done. Okay, data structures. Has anyone got any resources? Has anyone got any ways to learn data structures? You do? Tell me. Say it, man. Data structures by Pat Morin. Thanks for the suggestion. use the PDF version. All right. That looks that looks a bit scary. So will this teach everything about it? I mean, which one's the most useful out of all of these to learn first? Is my face in the way? No, that's good. Yeah, which one would be the best to learn? Do I want to flip my camera? Wait. That looks weird. Why am I horizontal? I might keep it like this actually. Because now it looks like I'm actually looking at the computer screen. Yeah, I might keep it like that. Cool. Interesting, okay. Anyways. Hey, we're saying introduction. Introduction? Come on, man. Every time. Okay. It says, don't be lazy. You know I'm lazy, man. My hands are cold. Okay, fine. Open a file system. Data structures are used to locate the parts of the file on disk so they can be retrieved. This isn't easy. Okay, I get it. The need for efficiency. Bro, do I actually gotta read all of this? That's crazy. I don't like reading on a computer. I have got a book actually right here. You can't read it because the camera's inverted. But it's by Tony Buzan, the speed reading book. Yeah. So I read in real life, but I don't like reading on a computer. It just annoys me. You relate the feeling. I'm glad it's not just me. Alright, so this is a lot of words. Solution is to organize data within the data structure. Zero point 0.00000 seconds to complete an instruction. I understand logarithms, how to use it physically, but I don't understand how it works. No, is it? I don't understand why it works. I know how to use it, but I don't know why we use it. I wasn't taught about it in school because we don't do that in GCSE in England. So whatever I learned about logarithms was completely self-taught, and that probably wasn't the best. I probably didn't get the best knowledge. Yeah, PDF version is much better. You only have 2 hours of school tomorrow. Alright. I got college as well, but I don't need to go in. You need to sleep. Wait, where do you live? J Gabram. You're definitely not in. You can't be in Europe. You're in Australia or something? Where are you? Or Asia? Philippines? Yeah, Asia. That's what I said. Yeah. Yeah. There's no way you're in Europe. Fair enough. All right. Good night to you then. English is your main language. Wow, I didn't know they taught English in Asia. Interesting. I used to know one swear in the Philippines language is Tagalog, right? Actually, I got a funny story about that. In secondary school, there's this Filipino kid, and I was in class with him, and I actually knew a word in Tagalog back then. I don't think I know it now. And I said, "Hey man, I know a word in Tagalog," and then he started raging so hard. He said, "It's not called Tagalog. It's called Tagalog," or something like that. One of them, right? One of that. It's either called Tagalog or Tagalog, right? Anyway, he started getting so mad because I said the opposite of how you're supposed to pronounce the language, and I didn't even know how to pronounce it. I was just trying to learn. Yeah, he got so mad. Can't eat a meal without rice. Of course you can. But cultural differences, I get it. Fair enough, bro. White rice. White rice constipates, doesn't it? I think brown rice is healthier. Or I might be waffling. Just don't listen to me. Interfaces. An interface called an abstract data type defines the set of operations supported by a data structure and the semantics of or meaning of those operations. Okay. First in, first out queue. Queue stack DQ interface. The queue interface represents a collection of elements to which we can add elements and remove the next element. First in, first out. Add elements and remove the next element. Okay. More precisely, the operations supported by queue interfaces are add and remove. Cool. Okay. They're saying remove takes no argument. The queue discipline decides which element should be removed. I understand. Okay. Right, I'm gonna be continuing on this page next time, but I gotta go to my job right now. So, thank you everyone for watching. I will end the stream now, and I'll read this one another time. Yeah. You know what I mean? Okay. Yeah. Goodbye. Good night to you in the Philippines. Make sure you hit that like button, join the Discord up here, and see you next time. The next stream is tomorrow. Is it? Wait, it's Friday. No, there's no stream tomorrow. Wait, stream schedule's here. Friday. Tomorrow's Friday. Yeah, okay, so there's no stream tomorrow. I'm still going to be programming, obviously, but there's no stream. Because I need a break as well. So next stream is on Sunday, but do come in. We already got a new person. Welcome, welcome. Got 2 people. Eric's dipped already. Incompetent pontantete. Okay, I can't say that. You'll watch another stream while doing homework. You can multitask like that. I can't. Well done on you. I cannot do that. Alright. Thanks for watching. Peace.